G'day traders, I just wanted to do a quick video. I'm going to place an order on Oanda, and I just wanted to show you how that works, or a different way to do it. It's easy this way. I'm interested in this one here, so we're broken down, come up to the 200, been rejected, got a double bottom down here, pretty much by the looks of it, and now we're broken up above the previous resistance, becomes new support, and at the 50 at the same time. So that's on the daily chart. I just want to have a look on the 4 hour and the 1 hour chart just to see if it's any good. I had a look before, it didn't look too bad. So here on this support line here, we've got an engulfing that's come down, but there's about 20% bought back in, and we've got a perfect doji here, and we've taken off in the green. So, it's looking pretty good on the 4 hour chart too. And on the 1 hour chart, yeah, the 1 hour chart's looking good too. So, we've got reversal here, and now we've got our first engulfing above the 9, and that's off support. So we've got 3 reasons here to be buying. And if I was to be buying here, I'll be having my stops below the low here, and just to see how we go. Going to go for 3 to 1 on this trade, and I'll have a look on the daily for where our potential target might be for that. So if we get a pretty good bounce from here, can it reach up to these heights here? Quite possibly. This could also be like the beginning stages of an uptrend. Like, if that was a low, a high, double bottom, now it's come back up, found support on here. This could actually take off. If this was leg 1, leg 2, leg 3 is usually about the same as leg 1, or even greater. So what's this here? That's 143, and the high there is 156. So 43 to 56, 7, and that's 13. So where we are now, 13 cents. So say 53, that's 63, 66. So up to 66 cents, all the way up to here, right about here. So, it's definitely possible that, it could reach up to those heights there. So who knows? Like, this is only 3 to 1, that's like 13 to 1. So, we could get a few, additions to the position and stuff like that. But anyway, that's on the daily chart. Let's have a look at the 4 hour chart and see what's there. So I am liking the 4 hour chart for that reversal too. So, yep, that looks good to me. And now let's have a look at the 1 hour chart. And the 1 hour chart looked pretty good too. So, okay, and now we've still got buyers in the game here as well. So yeah, I'm going to buy there, and I'm going to put my stop there. So how do we do that on Oanda? So firstly, I go over to Oanda, I'm already logged into Oanda, and I've already logged into, connected my account to Oanda. And so how you actually do that, you lift this up, and then it'll have like a bunch of tabs down the bottom here, and then you just basically find the one that says Oanda, and you press that, and it'll say connect to trading view, and you say yes, and then away you go. Okay, so I have got my position there. So now if this is the buy price here, I'm just going to bring my and then I'm going to right click exactly at the open price that it is right now, last traded. And so here's the trade, new order. And what I want to do is I want to buy this one. And so I'm going to leave it at buy, and I'm probably going to do a market order. So you got market. Limit would be if, you think it's going to just pop down here quickly before it takes off, you would, that's your limit price below it. If you want to buy on stop, you want to, say you wanted to break this new high here, and you only want to buy above that, that's your stop. So you'll be buying on stop if you're buying above the price. You're buying a limit if you're buying below the price, and you're buying market if you're buying where the price is right now. Okay, so now with these stops up there, that's the profit, and down here's the stop. So we'll do the take profit, and we'll do the stop loss. And so let's just have a look at the profit. That's 155,645. 155,6, yep, 65, yep, that's pretty close. This is kind of moving a little bit as we can see it. So here's the red one here. That's the price that we're kind of looking at. So it's a little bit different on that one. So I'll change this here. So I'm just going to hover that around there. So that's 152,554. 152,554. Okay, cool. So there's the stop now. I don't want to risk 26% of my account. And look at this, I don't like the spread there very much either, and it's 3. So, okay, so the risk, I'm just going to reduce that risk, and I'm going to put a risk of, I'm going to risk 0.5% on this one here. No. Yep, And so we'll just see how it goes. Like I just saw this one. Like this is probably the best one that I've seen. As a bounce. A bit of showing a bit of strength off the bounce. Even though it's not a full body closing candle, there's about 5 or 6% that's sold off there. So I'm risking $130, which is 0.5% of my account. If I get extra buyers along the way, I'll probably take them. But anyway, let's see what happens. So anyway, that's how you place the order. And I'll just double check this. So now that I've got, I want to buy 13,600 euro AUD at market, risking 0.5%. And it's the spread is 2.9. I'd rather a smaller spread than that, but it is what it is. Actually, what I might do is just go to the 10-minute chart. We'll just have a look at that too, see what that looks like. Yep, that's showing signs of nice close above the 50, and all the moving averages there. That's good. Showing strength since then too. Yeah, I don't mind it. I'm in. All right, so here we go. Now I'll just get a list on the left here. There we go. Order placed. Okay, traders. Anyway, I hope this helps. And we'll see how we go. And so, actually, here you can see that my take profit is all the way up to here. I don't know why it's got me there. Oh, hang on. Oh, okay. So now, actually, I'll just show you one more thing before I go. I just want to close this up a little bit. Okay, so that's where I am. That's where I'm at, right? So I'm kind of thinking that I don't know why I had this price all the way up to here. Did I move that up there for a different reason? I'll just have a quick look. On the daily. Yeah, so I think of hiding that. So if we get a bounce from here, so if you wanted to move it, all you do is grab here and you just move it up to where you want. Like it. However high you think it might go. Let's just say just below the bodies there, and I'm just going to modify that. So I moved it. There we go. So it's gone from 160 to 300. Yep, happy with that. So 129. Now with this trade here, with every trade, I don't really care what it does. I know that this has a high chance of working than not working. So if it works, great. If it doesn't, I'll just be out looking for the next trade. But so I'm just aiming for that position up there at the top. So we'll see how we go. Okay, traders, I hope this has helped. If you have any problems placing your trades and stuff like that on Oanda, let me know and I'll be happy to help out. Okay, see ya.